How to enable or disable push notifications in NBA Live Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through a simple step on how you can easily enable or disable push notifications while playing NBA Live Mobile game. So first of all, launch open the game on your device and wait for the main home screen to load. From the home screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Inside the profile section, you'll see, go ahead and click on Preferences on the left corner. Under Preferences, go to Notifications tab. If you have enabled push notifications, then it will show the toggle button on. If you want to disable it, simply tap on it, and after you turn this option off, you'll be able to turn off push notifications from the game. From this button over here, you can easily enable and disable the push notification. If you want to receive notifications again, you can toggle on this button, or vice versa. So that way you will be able to turn on and off push notification setting in NBA Live Mobile game, whether you want to stay updated on events or take a break from alerts. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.